Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our GGA Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video: two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of GGA Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
So tell me what you're thinking of. Oh, our words just not enough. Just romantic semantics. I'm thinking of a word often written, never heard. All the letters of return. Just a verbal tactic. Never feel as alone as when you give me busy tone. When I'm left holding the phone, holding mobile, plastic, holding mobile, plastic, holding mobile, plastic. Hold me up to your face, hold me close to your ear, hold me close to your head. I'm on the line, why aren't you here? Hold me up to your face, hold me close to your ear, hold me close to your head. I'm on the line, why aren't you here?
No glass of cocaine, I'm hooked on you. Don't need no pills or champagne, I'm hooked on you. You bring that special feeling. From now on you're all I'm needing. I'm hooked on you, yeah. Don't need no glass of cocaine, don't need no pills or champagne. I've got you, yeah. I'm so hooked on you, yeah. Very hooked on you. Yes, they are. Everybody's searching, taking turns, a man thrills. I'm flying.
on my shoulder. Let it rest there for a while. I guess that I'm still good for something once in a while. And if you need someone to talk to, just give a call, I'll be around. And if you want me to avoid you, just say the word. If you love him, you should leave me. That's the best thing to do. And if you need him, you don't need me like you used to. And if you believe that you'll be happy, then I'm happy for you.
There is more to love than ever meets the eye. There are waves in my soul and tears in the sky. There's a calm in my heart like the eye of a storm. There's a message I'm singing to the early morn. There's a need for rain when the river's dry. When the earth's alone, then the angels cry. Like water, I need you to fall on me. I run out of reasons to stay out of sea. I wanna get through to you in a serious way. Oh, we got so much to do in a serious way. I'll give you love so true, 'cause I wanna wake up with you every day. There is more to love than ever meets the eye. There is more to life between the earth and sky. We must move to domestic from deep inside. Rise up in the morning with the new sunrise. There is more to love than a physical touch. Compassion in the heart, we need so much. Sometimes it's a word, sometimes it's a smile, letting you know I've been cool all the while. I wanna get through to you in a serious way. Oh, we got so much to do in a serious way. I'll give you love so true.